say I haven't vlogged the entire time I was here, and I actually regret it quite a bit because we had such an adventure. Woke up early, headed to our host's graduation. After the graduation festivities, we kind of broke off into small groups. I went to go get a Thai massage, and it was the best massage of my entire life. And then came back to home base. We were kind of on the fence about what we wanted to do that night, if it was just chill, but I really, really, really wanted to check out the nightlife. And we went out for a night on the town, checking out the clubs. We ended up at Adam, Tokyo, and the crowd is really what makes Tokyo clubs special, I think, because the crowds are hyped for the DJ. They are loving the songs. Everyone's just dancing, having a good time. There are 3 levels at this bar. One of the levels was closed, so we didn't get to enjoy the hip hop stage, but at the second level, we were approached by a drag queen. Gorgeous, gorgeous. She looked like Barbie. I kid you not. So she's 6'5", and then she was wearing like minimum 5-inch heels, so easily towering over everyone. She came and she talked to us for a little bit. At 11:30, we realized we had missed the last train. The trains restart at 4:30, so we were like, maybe we'll hit another club. Well, it was really rainy, and then the lines were pretty crazy, so I actually can't imagine what it would be like, and this is a Friday night. I can't imagine what the lines would be like on a not rainy typhoon day. We decided to call it and just go have a good old drunky time at the Mega Don Quixote in Shibuya. It was basically having a 2 a.m. Walmart run, but at a Walmart that also has a bunch of anime merch and luxury goods for resale and things like that. But that was our Shibuya clubbing experience. Achievement unlocked. Officially missed the last train and spent all night out in Tokyo. Oh, today we slept until 3 p.m. Woke up pretty much at 3 and then got ready. We went to this event. So I guess it's a monthly event that happens where Japanese locals wanting to improve their language want to meet with English native speakers at this restaurant in Kawagoe called Chabudai, which means like the low tables that they have in Japan. So we were pretty much sitting at the low tables and speaking with Japanese people wanting to improve their English. It was just really fun and interesting to get different people's takes on their experiences, and then just like culture in general, of like Japanese culture versus American culture. Because a lot of these Japanese people either have been once or twice to America or want to go. We played things like we played charades, and so the native English speaker would hold the card and they would try to describe to you, find ways around that word. And I think that that's actually a really, really great way of practicing a language. Like, I've never thought about that being a good way to practice language, but it was A1. They also played some games that were like crossing over similar interests, like name that anime English title. In Japan, Wild Speed is the name for the Fast and the Furious. So it was like playing things like that. But there was also like anime, and then there was also like just normal cartoon stuff, which I'm a big Disney fan, so I already knew all these things. And I'm a big anime fan, so I already knew these things. And I'm a big media consumer in general, the movies, so I already knew these things. I literally just watched a TikTok about like Japanese titles and the translation for English. Like, so I already knew that about Fast and Furious, which is really funny. That it came in handy. Thanks, TikTok.
It's our second to last day in Japan. We are in Shinjuku, trying to make it to the Suga Shrine and the Suga Steps from Your Name. Very excited. And then after that, we're gonna do a last minute super haul of everything that we need from Don Quixote, because we were already packing up this morning and we're running a little late because of it. We took it a chill morning. We're tired, honestly. And the shrine closes at 5, so we just missed it. It's already 5:20, so we're just gonna do like sightseeing. We won't be able to buy charms. That's pretty much what it means. I think you can like still visit shrines when they're closed. You just can't like buy things. The typhoon's still making its way through, so the weather's a little meh. We're making the most of it.
俺君をどこかで
私も君の名前は
We are looking for food now. I'll hopefully get to check out a dumpling place, and if it's too crowded, we'll go to a ramen place. So, love that there's a ton of options here. We found the dumpling place. It's rated one of the best restaurants in Tokyo.
They just happen to be here.
It's on the 3rd floor, so let's go up.
More stairs, don't die.
Ugh, the floor is so slippery when wet. That was so delicious. Did you not like, look at how happy she is.
Yes, I'm on dumpling heaven right now.
Dumpling heaven.
Yes, yes. So thank you.
For everything we tried, it came out to like 8,100 yen.
That way.
And so worth it, so delicious. They definitely earned their top rating spot. So now we're gonna call it an early day, head back, and try to rest up because tomorrow morning we're gonna get up bright and early, try to get me into my yukata and explore Asakusa shrines and a few other shrines in Shibuya area, I believe. But yep.
It's our last full day in Japan, so we're gonna spend it checking out some shrines, mainly Asakusa first. And we were able to get my yukata on all by ourselves. You guys, I just got the highest compliment again. We're still making our way to Asakusa, but in this station, Granny asked me about my kimono, or my yukata, but she referred to it as kimono. And my Japanese isn't good enough to have answered her properly, but I told her kawagoe. So sweet. Got these really pretty ichigo mochi daifuku. Oh, if I eat one, we still have one to take a picture of. Yay!
Yep.
Let me introduce myself.
Yes.
My name is Koyo.
Koyo.
Yeah, Koyo. Koyo.
Koyo, hajimemashite.
And
Nice to
you?
meet you. Missy.
Lucy. And
Missy and Misha. Oh, wait.
Misha. Misha.
Misha. Okay. Misha and
Missy.
Missy.
Yes.
Okay. Missy and Misha.
Yes.
Hi.
Thank you.
This left one is Asahi Beer Company's headquarters.
Oh.
You know?
Yeah.
You know Asahi Beer?
yes.
Asahi
Yeah, yeah,
Super
yeah.
Dry.
Asahi Beer is one of the most famous beer company in Japan. There are two most famous beer company. One is Asahi and another is Kirin.
Kidding.
So Asahi and Kirin is a rival like Pepsi and Coke. Yeah. This headquarters looks like beer in a glass.
Oh.
Right? Yeah.
that is
beer
smart.
part and hop part. Right? Yeah.
So smart.
That's
Yeah,
funny.
yeah. It's golden Olympic fire torch.
Oh.
Yeah. So
oh, I see at the top.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
yeah. So this black part is a torch, and this gold part is a fire.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this fire, fire's meaning is that passion of Asahi Beer Company's workers.
Oh, wait,
Yeah.
really?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
Really.
We're headed to the Meiji Jingu shrine, and this area is really, really nice. It's like all forest, and this is leading up to the actual shrine area. I'm wondering if it'll be less busy because it's less accessible, like just right in your face, so we'll see how it goes. Very wrong. It is still extremely popular. One of our last proper meals. It's definitely our last dinner in Japan.
For sure.
So we're ending it with sushi. Kanpai. But it's our last day in Japan. Well, yesterday we're counting as our last day in Japan.
Full
To-
day.
Yeah, today is just a travel day. It'll be the longest Tuesday ever.
We redo it
Yeah.
again. It's a Groundhog's Tuesday.
Yep, we
I
do
don't
it
know
again.
How people travel because it's just like a big loop and a loop again, a big loop, a loop again.
If you just keep going, time will never catch up with you, question mark? I don't know.
What is jet lag?
What is jet lag? But yeah. Boop.